gentlemen, members of the media, before we open the questions out to you all, we have a very important question that we'd like to ask all of you all. What is your experience visiting the Reliance Digital store? Could you please pass the mics to them? We'd like to know this from all three of you all.
Well, I love gadgets, and I feel we do so many promotions and we come here very often, and it's always nice to visit this store.
It was nice to visit the store because I like, all my gadgets with me, because you see everywhere, whenever I'm traveling, so I would like to have all the gadgets with me so that I can reply to all the calls, all the mails immediately. Thank you.
I'm like a child in a candy store here. So, women go to salons to, pamper themselves. I love going to gadget stores, and I pick up and look at every single gadget, and I love to be challenged by technology. I'm not technologically challenged. I like to be challenged by technology.
Well, in that case, if we are here at a store which is a one-stop destination for all your gadget needs, this question has to be asked. Which is your favorite gadget?
My favorite gadget is iPod speaker.
Mine is my phone.
My smartphone, I mean, it is my life. I do everything with it and around it.
Fantastic. Members of the media, I've asked my questions. The session is open to all of you all. We have mics in the audience. So anybody who'd like to?
एक्ट्रेसेस के प्रति जो चेंज आ रहा है बॉलीवुड में भी, इंडस्ट्री में भी, उसके ऊपर क्या कहना है?
I think definitely environment has changed. If you see in 80s and 90s, women were objectified hugely, and I always say that the guy who has thrown acid on Rangoli or people who do things like that, they think it's very heroic, because their idea of heroism comes from movies, and this sort of stalker and tragedy-stricken obsessive lover is hugely glorified in films, and these rejected boys, I don't know why, but they identify a lot with that sort of tragic character. And we need to change the perception of heroes, and we need to change the perception of a good girl, like a bad girl is the today's good girl. So we need to change that.
Congratulations for the amazing magazine cover.
Thank you.
Okay, and my question is, recently we saw a video जहाँ पे आपके body doubles की बात हो रही थी and you get panic and pissed. So exactly वो क्या हुआ था?
Well, the thing is that was I was shooting for a Reebok campaign, and I didn't want to use body double, so that was the conversation.
Alright, since you want to become a producer and you are a director, I want to ask you, would you ever want to make a biopic on Rangoli?
You know what, I told Rangoli, I said I want to make we were shooting in Arunachal Pradesh, and when this cover came out, and I'm like, I want to make a story on you, and I want rights of your life. And she's like, shut up. And I'm like, I want to play you, I want to play me, I want to play everyone in the film. She's like, yeah, it will be a very big film. Flop ho jayegi, tum hi baith ke dekhna. So I want to know, but on a serious note, I think Rangoli's life is far more interesting than my life, thanks to my brother-in-law, who's been so madly in love with her from day one. Like, I have, no lover like that. So I think my life is not as exciting as Rangoli's.
Thank you.
कंगना, अगर रंगोली के ऊपर बायोपिक बनती है तो आपको क्या लगता है बॉलीवुड में ऐसी कौन सी एक्ट्रेस है जो इसका किरदार निभा पाएगी?
Me, only if she gives me the rights.
And what about your brother-in-law?
My brother-in-law? That's a good question. That I'll cast. That I'll cast.
So, किस तरह का चेंज आप देखती हैं बॉलीवुड में? आपने जब स्टार्ट किया था तब हीरो सेंट्रिक फिल्में हुआ करती थी, और अब क्वीन जैसी फिल्म आई है जहाँ पे आपने ही डोमिनेट किया था. तो कुछ जाना चाहेंगे आपसे, हाउ हैज़ द चेंज बीन?
Yeah, I think पहले जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तो this was a very prominent thing कि which film are you working on? Okay, say this film. And who's there? Like, I'm there. Like, who is there in the film? Like, who's the actor? Like, I am the actor. No, but who's the actor? Like, they don't consider you nothing. So they want you to come up with names, like a superstar name or things like that. So today that's not the case. If you say, this is the film I'm working on, so they're like, okay, fine. So I think that's a huge change, because they don't even, like, your existence in the film doesn't even matter. So I think that was a bit unfair.
और आपकी जो को कलीग्स हैं प्रियंका एंड दीपिका, दे आर मेकिंग बिग इन हॉलीवुड, तो क्या हम आपको देख सकते हैं आफ्टर बॉलीवुड इन हॉलीवुड?
Well, the thing is, to be honest, as far as the theatre business is concerned in the world, I was doing, after Queen, I went for this screenwriting course. In America, we were taught in business of cinema, we were taught how Asia is going to ascend to #1 place, and China is almost there. So as far as theatre business, I'm not talking about digital platform. Theatre business is concerned, we are where Hollywood was 10 years ago. So before theatre business comes to an end, we're going to have a blast in India. Asia is the future. So you'll see a lot more Asian actors in American television or American theatre, because everyone knows India is the future. So I would like to make films that I could cater to world audience, but my priority would always be the future.
क्योंकि आप और रंगोली इतनी सिमिलर हो, कभी ये आइडिया नहीं आया कि तनु वेड्स मनु रिटर्न्स में आप दोनों ही वो कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करते?
Well, the thing is, I don't know, Anandji should have thought about it. But Rangoli is not an actress. Rangoli is my manager, and she handles my work, and she's my sister. Though when I was doing Tanu and Datto, many people, in my straight hair, they always compliment me that I look a lot like Rangoli. And, but I don't think Rangoli wants to be an actress.
So yesterday there were reports that you are in two minds for doing Hansal Mehta's Next. Is that true? Would you like to clarify?
No. I am very much, very much doing that film. I don't know where these reports come from.
Thank you.
How do you see yourself and the progress you have made in the 10 years? And now do you see yourself as a more confident actor? And second one is Queen is one film which will hopefully always be associated with you, at least in the near future, if unless you surpass that. So how do you take that, and do you feel kind of burdened by Queen overtaking your whole career till now?
Well, I think Tanu Weds Manu has been far more successful than Queen if you talk about box office, and Datto's character is equally loved as much as Rani's character. So I don't fear that I would never be able to go beyond what I did in Queen. And your first question is, do I feel more confident? Yes, I do. I feel a lot more confident at this age than I did when I was a teenager or younger. And I think that's the best part of growing up or growing old, whatever.
So, who's that one woman in your life who inspires you to be unstoppable?
My sister.
How nice. And what about you, Rangoli?
My sister.
Well, on that
Thank
note,
you.
it's been an extremely inspiring and empowering afternoon having these three strong ladies right here with us. May I kindly request Kangna and Rangoli to please sign mugs for us. We had 3 mugs each that we'd like you to sign.